Hello and welcome once more to my art corner. I am Arrey Ivo and I will be trying to paint a scene of nature, and I hope that you would like it and that is going to appeal to you. So I will starting with some background color, and I am seeking to create clouds or cloud cover in the beginning of this work. So my interest is white and some blue here. And here we have our canvas and the work begins. Normally you paint clouds in cycles. Clouds coming up. Yeah, this one right in here. A bit of white. And white to give it the necessary touch you want. And we are coming up. I think I should be adding some relief and a board. And we'll be starting that with some black. And because it's coming up. Today you find our board, and I'm trying to build on some rock surfaces. And here as well. Now we need to add some life into it. I'm attracted to a mixture between yellow and green, and some white, so that we can start thinking of some greenery. It's possible to have it on the corner here. It's coming up. It goes right up there, and it's coming up. And yeah, it's not going to be a bad idea as well. You have green that matches with the blue. Especially in the tropics, you can see this kind of scenes, you know. The Congo Basin and so on. Maybe I have to go like this to give the air different formations. And you see it's coming up. Now you can see that the work is coming up, and here we can fit in some greenery that comes to stay here. It matches with that one, and we're on track. Maybe a few pockets of this here. It's going to help to infuse into our rock beds, and the work is coming up. A bit of green and white is going to be good here. And then I think it's time for us to go back to our blue colors so that we can have the semblance of water. More water in the formation. Well, we'll make our water come down in the form of a cascade. It should come down and to sizzle within the painting. And we're here. I think the water should have some blushful hypocrene as well, like some draft beer, because it's hitting rocks, you know. So the painting is evolving. Maybe a bit of it is sizzled here, and so we are coming up. And yeah, don't forget the fact that we have to dot the I's and cut the T's. So it is very nice painting coming up. And yeah, our water is light green, aquamarine green, reflection of the plant mass up. And we have to come down here to ensure that the storyline continues. We are at the base of the painting. So you can see the work is coming up, and take here a little shade to justify the vagaries of biodiversity. And the work is coming down. And we are going to be able to show the vegetation is trying to settle in on the rock bed in places, and without losing focus as to the need of having it in the first place on the painting, you know. So I'm down here to the base of our work. And I think it would be nice to show some of our trees in the work. And there's a semblance of them. You have this kind of winding trees in Africa. And so you see our work is coming up. So we now have to put the paint thing in such a way that everything is connected. It's good to darken the things so that we do not lose sight of our adventure here. And so you can see a very nice painting. It's almost true Yeah. Yeah. So so I'm just trying to infuse some green into our cloud at the top, so that we know we are into some really serious landscape. And with these, I can tell you the work is done. Welcome once more to my art corner, and this is the final work of the nature scene that I was painting, and this is how it looks like. You can see that it has a lot of relevance to many places you may have visited or you're dreaming to visit. It is also very relevant to Africa, Latin America, and Asia. And from what you can see on this painting, there's a lot of nature, there's a lot of watery masses that cut across, and you have stone and some few trees. Now, it's relevant to the Congo Basin, the tropical rainforest, and even to the Victoria Falls, all those contraptions around the world. It is an attempt to communicate nature through colors. And I hope you enjoyed the painting and also the display. Thanks for watching. It has been Arrey Ivo.